T-minus 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have engine ignition.
Main engine start. And we have liftoff up in Terry for NG-15 mission, the Longest Flight Facility. Engines are at 100%. Attitude, core pressures, and vehicle subsystems are nominal.
The SS Katherine Johnson takes flight on this, the 59th anniversary of John Glenn's Mercury flight, carrying 8,000 pounds of cargo to the International Space Station. Good performance on the first stage so far.
Main engine cutoff.
We have MECO, and Terry's entering into a coast stage. Fairing separation will occur about 30 seconds later. As we lose sight of the vehicle, now switching to animation.
All subsystems nominal. Fairing separation. Interstage separation.
Confirmed fairing separation and interstage.
Stage 2 ignition. Spacecraft separation.
Confirmed. 9 minutes into today's flight, Cygnus has separated from the second stage.
Now that Cygnus is attached to the space station, the crew will begin accessing its cargo later this afternoon. Cygnus was captured earlier this morning by Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency's Soichi Noguchi, with NASA astronaut Mike Hopkins backing him up. Cygnus was captured at 3:38 a.m. Central Time, 4:38 a.m. Eastern Time, while the station was flying over Oman.